Hello everybody! For our next page in our All About book, we are going to make a diagram of our animal. So a diagram is a picture of your animal with labels of the different parts that are important to it. So before I show you mine, I found this article in National Geographic Kids. Okay, and this is a picture of a bear. It's called a sun bear. It says, the sun bears like to spend a lot of time eating and sleeping in trees. Find out how this bear's body is perfect for life in the forest. So if you look, there's a picture of the sun bear, and then what they did is they wrote labels with little extra pictures describing what was important on the sun bear. So here's the bear. There he is. So the first label says sharp claws. Sharp 4-inch long claws can rip open logs to find food. So they labeled his claws because that's important for this bear. The next one is long tongue. And then there's a caption underneath the label. A nearly 10-inch long tongue can slurp up termites hiding inside tree barks or honey inside a beehive. So 2 labels so far of the honey bear are its sharp claws and its long tongue. Another label is its furless paws. It doesn't have any fur on his paws. Scientists think that furless foot soles help the sun bear grasp tree bark. It's good to know. And then this says he's lightweight. So the sun bear is actually a little bear, weighing no more than 150 pounds, which is still pretty big. It's bigger than Miss McClellan. The world's smallest bear species can rest on branches that other bears might break. So it said it's lightweight. It doesn't weigh a lot. And the last label for this bear is coarse fur. So it describes the fur on the bear. Coarse fur provides protection from scratchy twigs and branches. So you don't need to write captions on your diagram, but you do need to label important parts. So let me show you what that looks like on my Aardvark diagram. So here's the paper, diagram of an aardvark. And I wrote an aardvark, and I drew my aardvark one last time, and I labeled the different parts of it. See how I filled up the whole paper with the aardvark? I made kind of a big aardvark so I could, label each part. So I wrote he's got long ears. So my label is here. You could put a box around your label if you'd like. I just used arrows to point to the body part that I am labeling. I wrote poor eyesight, because remember we learned that they're nocturnal. They actually can't see very well. Snout. Aardvarks are known for their pig-like snout. Long, sticky tongue. That's super important for aardvarks because they eat termites too, just like the sun bear. It's such a coincidence. Strong claws. I labeled strong claws. And thick tail. So it's also important for the aardvark. So here's my diagram of an aardvark. Remember, a diagram is a picture of your animal with labels telling the reader what's important about your animal. So you're going to write diary of your animal, draw the animal, and write labels pointing to important body parts. All right, we are almost done. We've got 2 more pages after this, the table of contents and the cover. We're so close to finishing our books. Keep up the good work, everyone.